Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to download movies on a chip catcher on this website you see here. All you have to do is click on it, like this, wait for it to load. Like this. Like that, and it comes up your, this, and if you want to download, MP3 downloader here and video search tool, you press, I'm gonna download the video like this. You have to do is write your movie here, say on the search. I'm gonna write, the song Whistle. Wait for it to search. Here, I'll just this camera. All you have to do is click right on the video and download. If you want to download it as MP3, download it and download it if you want to click. And when you download, it's come up like this. This comes your download here. Fully download, touch link, MP3, and this is video, high quality. And when the video is finished, you come to library here. You find it here from the library. And wait to load. And you go to videos here on your organizer. Go to videos. And it should be on here, like the others video I just download. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy.